Thank you so much for joining me today. Roll out your yoga mat, have your yoga props close by, and find absolutely any comfortable seat. As always, before we begin, if I offer you something that doesn't feel good on your body or causes any pain or discomfort whatsoever, I encourage you to please skip it or modify accordingly. When we stretch, we want to find positions in our stretches that feel good rather than really intense, so please don't push yourself. We'll be practicing 3 yoga poses to attain the center splits today. This doesn't mean that we are going to attain the center splits in the next few days, but they're just gentle, easy stretches that anyone can do to slowly develop the flexibility to attain the center splits. Sometimes, and often, this can take years to finally achieve the center splits. So please don't feel discouraged with yourself or push yourself because that can lead to injury. There is nothing wrong with going slow, and remember that there's no competition in yoga. This is just to do something healthy for our body, mind, and soul, and most importantly, to have fun and enjoy the journey. So go ahead and root your glutes down on the mat and extend the legs straight out in front of you. Open the heels out as wide as feels comfortable, so maybe just a little or maybe a lot. Flex the feet, draw toes up and back towards the shins to create dorsiflexion. Peek at your knees, make sure they're facing up and not out or in. You're more than welcome to have a little or deep bend in the knees if this is already too much on your hamstrings. You can also slide a yoga blanket under the glutes if you happen to have sciatica or if it's just more comfortable. Lengthen the spine all the way from the tailbone to the crown of the head. And inhale, circle, sweep the hands up. And exhale, slowly fold forward, maybe just a little. Really important, we're folding from the hip creases and not from the waist. Think straight lower back, so straighten out your spine and slowly fold forward, leading with your navel. Look at your knees and your toes, make sure they're still facing upwards. Maybe you're just folding a little, or maybe you're going a little deeper. Perfectly fine either way. Listen to your body here. Good, and keep breathing. Slowly lift yourself back up. Good, draw the hands back behind you. Lean the heart back and open through the collarbones. Lift the chin up just a few inches higher than normal. Good. Rise back up. Draw the heels in. Maybe go nice and slow and just give your knees a little hug. And then cross the ankles, shift forward, coming into tabletop, hands and knees. We're going to be finding a really gentle half variation of frog pose. So first, come to lay down on your belly. Take your time and just slide the forearms underneath your forehead like so. Right away, if you know that you have issues with your lower back, I want you to slide a thick yoga blanket underneath your hips to just relieve any pinching in your spine. Bend the right knee, send the right knee over to the right side, connecting the inner right knee and the inner right foot to the floor. If that's too much, simply draw the right knee closer to the left. You can also skip this perfectly fine. If you have more to give, you can draw the right knee closer towards your elbow and maybe straighten out the right leg, sending the right foot to the right side. This is your practice and your body. Again, please don't push yourself. And remember that it's very common to feel different day to day in our bodies. So some days we're feeling a little stiff, and then some days we're feeling more open, which is perfectly fine. And just breathe here. Bend the right knee and slide it back in towards the left. Go ahead and bend both knees, lift the feet up, open the knees out as wide as the short edge of the mat, and slowly sway the feet from side to side. Draw the feet back down. Bend the left knee, slide the left knee to the left side, and draw the inner left knee and the inner left foot to the earth below you. If that's too much, draw the left knee back. If you have more to give, slide the left knee closer to your elbow and perhaps straighten out the left leg, send the left foot over to the left side. Really nice work. Keep breathing. Bend the left knee, slide it back in to meet the right, straighten the legs, lift the feet up, open the knees out as wide as the short edge of the mat, and slowly windshield wiper your knees from right to left. Good. Draw the feet back down and rise up into tabletop, hands and knees. Coming into frog pose, this is arguably one of the most important yoga poses to build flexibility for the center splits. This is a very deep pose, a very deep stretch, so please don't push yourself here. Really listen to your body. Open your knees out and your feet out as wide as the short edge of your mat. Maybe this is all you do today, which would be perfectly fine. If you don't feel a stretch yet, go ahead and just inch the knees out just a little, going really slow until you do, and press the inner edges of the feet to the floor. Look back. Make sure the whole time in this stretch that our knees are in line with the heels and the knees are in line with the hips. So it might be tempting to draw the hips forward or back more, but we're keeping them in line with those knees. If you have more to give, of course, just slowly inch out, pressing the hips towards the earth. You can have palms to the floor, elbows, or melt the chest down for a deeper stretch. Really listen to your body here. This is a deep one. Really nice. And now if you have more to give, which most of us won't, but if you do, maybe to start to straighten out the legs, pressing the hips back in line with the knees for the full splits. And keep breathing. And then everyone slide the heels in. If they're not, slowly slide the knees back in. Slowly press yourself up. Really good. And then everyone come to lay down on your back and pull the knees in. Just give them a little hug in Uttanasana. If it feels good, you could sway a bit from side to side, massaging the sacrum and lengthening the spine. And then feel free to take any seat. Thank you so much again for practicing with me today. Remember to not push yourself and just enjoy the journey of building flexibility.